Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 4. The Formation of the Worlds. In each atom are many oceans of worlds, their locations each different, all beautifully pure. Thus does infinity enter into one, yet each unit's distinct, with no overlap. Within each atom are inconceivably many Buddhas, appearing everywhere in accord with beings' minds, reaching everywhere in all oceans of worlds. This technique of theirs is the same for all. In each and every atom are enlightenment trees, all draped with various adornments, in which all lands alike appear. In this all are no different. In each atom are congregations numerous as atoms, all surrounding the leader of humanity, going beyond all, pervading the worlds, yet with no crowding or confusion. In which all lands alike appear. In this all are no different. In each atom are congregations numerous as atoms, all surrounding the leader of humanity, going beyond all, pervading the worlds, yet with no crowding or confusion. In each atom are innumerable lights, pervading the lands of the 10 directions, all showing the Buddha's enlightening practices, the same in all oceans of worlds. In each atom are infinite bodies transforming like clouds, circulating everywhere. By mystic Buddha powers they guide all beings, no different in all 10 directions lands. In each atom are expounded many teachings. Those teachings are pure and revolve like wheels. The gates of freedom by various means are all told of without discrimination. One atom emanates all Buddha's voices, filling those beings who are receptors of truth. Omnipresent in the oceans of worlds for countless eons, these voices too have no difference. The countless beautiful adornments of oceans of worlds all enter inside a single atom. Such mystic powers of the Buddhas all arise from the nature of action. In each atom the Buddhas of all times appear according to inclinations, while their essential nature neither comes nor goes. By their vow power they pervade the worlds.